So how do you build an EXE in Microsoft Visual Studio? First, you want to ensure that your project type supports EXE support. So for example, your project could be console application or Windows application and not a class library, which produces a DLL. If you right click on your project and open up the properties, in here you should see the output type in the general tab. It says here console application. Make sure it's either console or Windows application, which both of them produce exe file. Now you can close this and come back to your source code, and then all you need to do is right click on your project and choose build. You can also click on this button here to run and compile, which performs a build. And now to get your exe, all you need to do is right click on the project, open in File Explorer, and then you should find in the bin folder debug the executable, which is this one. If you double click on it, it should open up the program, and it should have the same name as the project name in your Visual Studio. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.